from Barangay Bagong Puo, Australia, of province of Laguna. Ayan, thank you.
Palakpakan sa lahat ho ng magaganda at mga gwapo. Magandang gabi po. At sa lahat ho naman ng mga pangit, gabi na po. Joke lamang po yan because for I always and firmly believe that according to the 1987 of the World of Philippine Constitution states that Bill of Rights, no one should be passed, avoiding the freedom of speech and the freedom of expression. This is my means of expressing of myself from north to south, from east to west, from the highest mountain down to the deepest seas. I'm gonna come out in this fabulous place. Isa pong mapagpalayang gabi sa ating lahat. Ako po si Binibining Maria Iwanesca Ortega, and I am truly all the way from the home of the heritage, historical also, Daniel Matopais, or should I say that I am very much proud and out of my very own town. Bayan po ng pinagpala, Pila, Laguna. The girl standing in front of you, maraming salamat po, is Laguna Gate Queen 2019, Miss Unigender 2019, Laguna Gate Queen 2019, Miss Gay Songster Mall 2019, Miss Gay Calabarzon 2019, and proudly graduated of Philippine Women's University with the degree of Tourism Management. Ang taong nagpapakataas ay siya pong ibinababa. At ang taong nagpapakababa ay siya pong ibinataas. We are born to be true and never, ever to be perfect. Maraming salamat po. Bilang baklang tayuhan sa iyong lugar na nasasakupan, isa lang po ang aking kahilingan. Mga Morado, napakarami po. Sana po may patas ang laban. Maraming salamat.
Once again, activity number 2.
Ika nga po, Miss Yukito, walang Mama Mary nagsasalita. Well, bago ako magpakilala, isa muna. Men! Tugod po! Men! My name is Ashley Ramos Apitan from the duck racing capital of the Philippines, Victoria, and life. Thank you. Probinsya po ng Laguna na nagsasabi kung ang perlas ng silanganan ay matatagpuan sa ilalim ng karagatan. Ngunit ang perlas ng kagandahan ay nasa inyong harapan. Kaya judges, ang tunay na national costume kung paano mo idala ito at igrapa. And I love you all. Thank you so much.
Our champion, number 4.
How fabulous the costume is, but it is how you give life to the costume that you are wearing. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Kevin Jonas Espinosa, all the way from Labuin, Pila, Laguna. My costume inspired by the Alihan sa Ambing of Magdalena, Laguna. That will be all. Thank you so much.
Our champion, number 5.